All right, as I said, bring us up to speed. Hearing has wrapped. What's the latest?
Yeah, that hearing wrapped. It went less than an hour, and the brothers, they were expected to be seen on a video feed. They were never seen at all. There were technical difficulties in getting that video feed from the prison facility in San Diego. And at that point, the judge said, you know, it's just as well, because he's not ready to do this resentencing hearing anyway. He really wants to give the new DA, the incoming DA, Nathan Hawkman, some time to look at the case and make his own decision about resentencing. And so the judge has set a new resentencing hearing date of January 30th and 31st. So you may have heard about that December 11th resentencing date. So now that has been pushed to January 30th. Now, at that point, Mark Garagos, the defense attorney, he petitioned and asked the judge to please allow some testimony from two witnesses because they're elderly. And one is Joan Vander. We have video of her arriving at court earlier this morning. She is turning 93 years old tomorrow. She's 92. So the judge allowed the testimony of Joan Vander, who you see walking into court this morning. She is the sister of Kitty Menendez, and also allowed today was some testimony from Terry Berlie. She's 85 years old and came in from New Jersey. Now, on the stand, Joan Vander, again, Kitty's sister, she testified to being very close to the boys growing up, and she also said 35 years is a long time. It is time for them to go free. She was very emotional. She talked about wanting to see and hug them, to be able to be with them, not in a prison. The prosecutor asked, you know, do you know what they did? And she said, yes, I do know what they did, but they have served their time. And also providing some testimony on record, Terry Berlie, who is 85 years old. She's Jose's sister. Now, she read a short statement that said, no child should ever have to endure what Erik and Lyle did from their father. It breaks my heart that Kitty knew what happened and didn't do anything that we know of. Now, you can see the live scene here outside the court, Connell. We're awaiting some of those principals to come out of court to see if they have any further comment about what happened up there on the 9th floor. But what a remarkable day. So really, the hearing didn't take place, and the judge said, hey, we're going to have a later hearing, right. And now it's going to be January 30th.
And we never saw Lyle and Erik today, or it was only supposed to be virtual, as you said, but the video never worked. I mean, the real backdrop to this, though, you talk about timing, Nancy, is political, right, out there in L.A. from one district attorney to another. And that's really the question, right? Because if it was the current district attorney, he was open to the resentencing, so you wouldn't have had as much dispute, right? Where you might, we don't know. Do we, with the incoming district attorney necessarily?
Right. Yeah, and incoming DA Nathan Hawkman has said, hey, I'm not going to let some Netflix series sway my opinion about this case. As you know, there's a lot of sympathy for the brothers because of this renewed programming about the Menendez case. But Nathan Hawkman has said, I want to review everything. And as you can imagine, there is a lot to review in this case. It was 35 years ago. There are thousands and thousands of documents to look over. So it's going to take some time. So even, you know, January 30th, that might be a date pushing it to go through all of that evidence and taking office and becoming the DA. And then having all of this on top of it. So it's a lot for the new DA, Nathan Hawkman.
It sure is. All right, let us know if anybody talks on the way out. Nancy Liu in Los Angeles, we have trial attorney. Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.